Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since my last post. I'm super grateful for all the people that have come to my channel. Today's video, I got a Tesla Model 3 and I just wanted to share my experience with that and how well I think it's all gone from the point of ordering the vehicle, getting the financing through Tesla, all the way up to the delivery point, which was today. And that's what I'm going to share with you in this video, is the actual delivery itself, and honestly how smoothly the entire thing went, and how much easier it is to buy a car online versus having to go to a dealership, be there all day, haggling prices, haggling interest rates, figuring out how much you're going to get for your trade-in. With Tesla, it's all done online. There's no questions about how much things are going to cost, and they can pass the savings on to you because of it. So enjoy this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and then if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. I'll remind you again at the end, and then like and leave comments and questions that you have throughout the video. Thanks. Morning guys, I just got up. Today's the big day. I get my Tesla Model 3. So I'm gonna get up, get ready, and I'll see you guys in a few. Hopefully I'll be getting a phone call from them in a little bit. I'll see you when that happens. Hello? Yeah, I can write a check, right? Yep. Yep, you're ready. Yep.
Let's try and find something for my sister. Well, you can cut it open, right? Yep.
Who was that?
So, just got off the phone with Tesla. It is 40 minutes prior to our delivery time, and they just said they're on their way and they'll see us shortly. I just wanted to confirm that I was going to be here and make sure I had the final payment ready to go. So, I will see you guys in just a few seconds as the Tesla truck arrives.
Sure.
So this is my Tesla showing up. I was wrong about it coming on a truck. They actually drive it from the delivery center, and here's the driver showing up in my Tesla. So it didn't come on a truck. So that I was wrong about. They actually show up in your car and then they take an Uber. So at this point, we're just going over all the final paperwork, signing for the loan, making sure your final payment is done. And then ultimately, at the very end, I'm signing the paperwork saying that the Tesla is mine, and I am now the owner of a Tesla Model 3 extended range with full self-driving. After we finished signing all the paperwork, we went ahead and headed outside for me to really kind of get a good look at my Tesla for the first time. He shows me how to open the doors, get into the vehicle, and then we get inside the car, and he gives me a walkthrough of all the features and functions of the Tesla Model 3. At this point, I had already watched all the videos that come with the Tesla Model 3 app, and I highly encourage you to do that before getting into your Tesla, before it's delivered. It gives you a good sense of all the functions that your Tesla can do before it even gets there. That way, if you have any questions about certain features that he doesn't show you how to do, you can ask him at that time. And then after we went over everything inside the Tesla, we're pretty much done at that point. And like I said, this entire process was really smooth, really simple, and then the Tesla was mine. Prior to him leaving, I went ahead and did a quick walk around the vehicle, make sure there were no scratches or defects in the workmanship. As I'd read in previous Tesla deliveries, that was the case. It does look like their manufacturing process has gotten a lot better. I couldn't find any defects on the Tesla. I've got 2 days to look for them, and if I find anything, I just need to give them a call and they'll fix it. But it looks like they've done a really good job.
Hey, congratulations, sir.
Thank you so much.
You're gonna have a lot of fun.
Yeah, so excited. I appreciate it.
Well, you, hey, take it for a joyride.
I will. All right, thanks. And just like that, the Tesla delivery was over. I called an Uber and got a ride back to Tesla delivery center, and I got to go drive off in my Tesla. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed everything that you saw in it. Again, the process was super easy. I really enjoyed every bit of it. fact that they brought the car to my home, I didn't have to go to a dealership at all, made this entire process super easy. It looks like Tesla in general is going to be shifting more to the deliver at your home model as they're closing more and more of the Tesla dealerships. So it is going to change the face of auto purchasing as far as I'm concerned. Yes, people are still going to want to go test drive vehicles. Yes, people are still going to want to have that option. Honestly, how great these cars are, I can't imagine too many people are going to want to return them, even if they don't get a chance to test drive it. They do have a guarantee that if you don't like the vehicle, you can return it, but I don't see a lot of people doing that. Again, the process was super easy. I'm super happy with the purchase. I highly recommend a Tesla. If you have considered getting one or you're on the fence, I hope this video kind of pushes you over just so you see how easy it is to actually get the vehicle. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like, go ahead and subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to see my videos as they do come out. I'm looking to post maybe a video about once every 2 weeks at this point. I did just get back from a pretty long trip, and now should have a little bit more time to film more. Also down in the description is my Tesla referral number. If you're going to get one, if I'm the reason you got one, please use it. If you don't know anyone who has a referral code, please use it. That'll get us both 1,000 miles of supercharger for free. It also enters you in for a drawing to win a Tesla Model X as well as a Tesla the Roadster. Thanks again for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.
What are you doing, Mom?
I'm trying to get ready to record.
Record what?
Your
Why?
faces.
Ooh, look at Aggie.
Why? I'm scared.
Are you guys ready?
Don't be scared.
Nope.
Yes.
Stop, Izzy.
I'm scared.
Uncover your face.
This is making me sick.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.